Hi, folks. It's Mr. Castle here, and I want to say hello and introduce you to my inclement weather unit. This unit is not meant to take the place of classroom activities, but it's meant to give you a little bit of a starter, a primer, because when you come back, we'd like to jump right in and start getting our plants planted in the greenhouse. And to do that, I need you to understand a little bit of the background. Um, so what I've done is I composed three units. The first unit is on the nutrient cycles and the nutrients that are found in soil. The second unit is on the soil itself. And the third unit is on the seeds and planting seeds and how seeds grow. I think it's important to have the background of this information before we really start to dig in literally and plant these seeds. So although I don't have a lot of activities, hands-on labs planned, because I'm expecting you to do this at home, there's a lot of information here. And so I have it set up that you take a pre-test, and you'll take that at the beginning of the first unit on nutrients. And then you're going to be asked to do a assessment activity in the second unit, the unit on soil. And then you're going to be asked to do a final post uh, test on the third unit, the unit on plant growth. So I hope you enjoy this. Break it up however you like. I've put it into three distinct units, and it would make sense that this would be spanned over 3 days. But if you feel like going at it and getting it all done and out of the way, you're certainly welcome to do that. Um, Take notes and enjoy. And when you're done with this, we'll meet together and get our hands dirty. I hope to see you soon and enjoy this. Bye bye.